Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is Sunday, June 14, 2026. I'm supposed to go biking with my friends this morning, but we have to go to Austin to meet a friend, and this will also be our test drive for EX5. So yesterday I replaced the oil. So when I got this car 2 weeks ago, I changed the oil, the designated oil 0W20 4.8 quarts, and then 2 weeks later, which is this weekend, I replaced the oil and I changed it to 5W30. So I read from other users that it is okay for changing the oil to 5W30. So 0W20 is thinner. You'll get more miles per gallon, like 1 to 2 miles per gallon more than the 5W30, while 5W30 is thicker, but it will protect the engine more. How much it will protect, we don't know. They said it's not gonna last more than, it's not gonna be 100,000 miles difference, but protection is protection. So there you go. It runs smoother, it's quieter with that 5W30 engine oil. And then also I did a drain and fill of the automatic transmission fluid. So the recommended fluid for the Mazda CX-5 2015 is Mazda FZ, which is blue, and it costs around 17 to 18 bucks per quart. I replaced it yesterday with the Valvoline Max Life from Walmart, 23 bucks a gallon, and it shifts better than when we got this 2 weeks ago. Hi guys, 1.5 hour. Isa lang tanong ko sa'yo, happy? There's an accident. Nandun yung car. Go straight. It fell.
Oh my God! Ano yun? Traffic center?
Hi guys, dito na ako sa Austin. Yung kaibigan ni Alin, yung kaibigan na asawa, nagsabi dalawa lang yung VIP tickets. Sabi ko, sige, kayo na lang ni AJ. Magagala na ako sa Austin. And nadaan, no? I bought this leather satchel bag. Para saan to? Hindi ko alam kung saan, pero mahirap pag ano to eh, leather. Yun lang, no? Wala siyang strap. So binibenta niya to 20. Natawaran natin 13. Pwede to gamitin sa ano eh, sa Renaissance Fair. Okay? Or mga cosplay. This is cute. Yeah, this is brand new. Grill. Okay. Tools. Okay, so we're looking for treasure in this pile of stuff. Where is that elusive treasure? Military knee pads. I already have one. I don't need it. Maybe I can get this for $1. I need a bag for my tool. Strap. Toe strap. Okay. Hi guys. Ito lang nabili ko. Hindi ko nakuha yung bag. Gusto nyo maano? $8. Diyos ko po. Luma na eh. Pag yung Lowe's nagsisale, $5 na yung ganung bag eh. Anyway, gusto ko tong bag na to kasi naaamoy ko yung leather. Alam nyo ba yun? Pag original leather, maaamoy mo. Meron siyang smell ng leather talaga. So ito, this is a good find, no? Leather talaga eh. May amoy siya eh na leather. Okay. At this pawn shop, there's nothing here. They don't sell guns, only tools. Okay, I'm here at Superstore. No backpacks or large bags allowed. I think this is silver or silver plated. Hey guys, time to go. Nothing interesting here. Just grab 3 t-shirts for me and AJ. Okay guys, nandito na ako sa venue ng pickleball tournament. Tapos na daw sila tumawag si Mrs. 4 miles lang naman dun sa na thrift store. So ito yung nakuha ko. Hintayin ko lang sila. Medyo muulan. Hello guys, so time check. Anong oras na? 7:17. Dadating kami sa bahay. Ano na? 9:20. 2 hours eh. Grabe, umulan. Lakas ng ulan kanina. Tapos yan, minute. Tapos ngayon, tama lang. Gininaw nga ako eh. Pero so far guys, binyahin itong sasakyan. Actually, pwede ba itong first road trip? Short road trip. Ano eh, 100
Okay naman siya.
yeah, 135 miles one way. So 300, around 400 miles kasi nag-ikot pa kami sa Austin. 400 miles, no problem. Actually, mas maganda yung takbo. Tahimik na tahimik. Gonna end this video. See you next time.